Hey guys, it's Black Friday and Cyber Monday. As of every year, the whole of the cyberspace is at roar. It is the perfect time to get best deals for WordPress merchandise. We didn't miss it. Now, Bdthemes is celebrating the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals with 70% price drop on our most popular products Element Pack and Prime Slider. Starting from 25th November to 5th December, every package will be available at 70% less cost. Yes, that's right. And the offer includes both annual and lifetime packages. For Element Pack Pro, the yearly personal package is at now $12 instead of $39. Business Pack is at $29 instead of $99, and the Developer Pack is at $74 instead of $249. With the 70% discount, the Lifetime Personal Pack is at $29 instead of $99, Lifetime Business Pack is at $74 instead of $249, and Lifetime Agency Pack is at $179 instead of $599. Same goes for the Prime Slider Pro. With 70% price drop, the yearly personal pack is at $3 instead of $9.99. Business pack is at $9 instead of $29.99, and agency pack is at $20 instead of $69. For lifetime personal package, the price goes at $12 instead of $39.99. Lifetime Business Pack is at $36 instead of $199, and the Lifetime Agency Pack is at $74 instead of $249. Lifetime Business Pack is at $36 instead of $119.99. Right now, we have 1,200 plus visitors every 6 hours closing deals with this super sale offer. So hurry up and grab your copy before the deal ends. Thanks. Happy shopping.